Hello guys, and today my mum is going to show you how to make a simple boat. All you need is paper. First you fold the paper in half, and then you turn it over, you fold the two corners into kind of the end of the paper. Very good. And then you get the bottom part, you fold half of it, then you fold it again, then you open the boat from the bottom, and then you put the edges on top of each other. Then you make the boat into a diamond shape, and then you make it flat. You open the boat and then you fold the corners, all of them, and then you open the boat, fold it again into a smaller triangles, and then you open your boat, you fold it again, and then as you can see you have your boat. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye.